Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. Now I will tell you Apache ZooKeeper, the backbone and distribution of coordination. In this session, we'll explore about ZooKeeper, why it is important in distributing system, how it works, and what the problem it comes, and how it continue to influence modern architecture in today's world. Why coordination is hard. Let us start understanding the problem. Building distribution system is not easy to understand with everyone. When multiple server or nodes must work together for a development phase, serious challenge come like deadlocks, networking, a race of coordination happen when two or more processes come together, and that time deadlock occurs. And network patients can be split a system into isolated part, each with a different view of data. All these issue can be cause system failure, data corruption, and even major severe problems. Traditional co- coordination methods like database locks doesn't scale when and customer built solution are often complex or error prone. The, that exact where Zookeeper comes to provide the simple and reliable fault of tolerance coordination services. What is Apache Zookeeper? Apache ZooKeeper is an open source project under Apache Foundation. It provides high reliability distribution coordination with a strong consistent of failure tolerance. Zookeeper is used in a hybrid namespace like a file system where data is stored in small nodes called zonodes. These zenodes are used for managing configuration, synchronization, and service names. I'll trust by companies like Yahoo, Twitter, Meta, Netflix, some of the big companies which depend on Zookeeper for the most critical distribution of cloud and all that. In short, Zookeeper simplifies the complex coordination of distribution system by providing a clear and easy way to use API. Zookeeper architecture at a glance. Zookeeper architecture is made up of three components. First is replicated uh, enable. Second is the ZAP protocol, and third is the client session. I will tell you about the replicate ensemble. Zookeeper runs a cluster of odd numbers services, usual 3, 4, 5, and 7. This service replicates an in-memory data to ensure reliable and high performance. ZAP protocol tells us about services are failed or not. Client session. In this, client connect to a Zookeeper service. Use TCP connection. They maintain a session through the. They maintain session and Zookeeper manage all the session. Together, the architecture deliver a simple, powerful, and efficient way to the user or a real-time update. Core feature that powers distributing system. Zookeeper often serve key features that makes distribution coordination possible. Le- leader in election. It automatically select one leader to a corresponding node or a task. The leader fail, another another elected instantly. Distributive lock and battery barriers. This prevents race condition by ensuring synchronization and sharing resources. Configure management. Zookeeper acts a single source of trust configuration automatically and synchronized update across all nodes. Means updating all the nodes in one and notification, giving notification when you occur in some problems. The basic feature can be combined to implement advanced technology, all with very little code. Real world use case. Zookeeper isn't just theory, it is a heart of a large distributive system in the world. The example Apache Ka- Kafka. Before version of 2.8, Kafka relies on entire on Zookeeper for managing brokers, topics, metadata, codes, business logic, control control elections, and Hadoop ecosystem. Tool like HBase and Accumulate depends on Zookeeper for a master uh, elections, region service coordination, and distributive logs. E-commerce platform are also lies with Zookeeper. Zookeeper manage all e-commerce website. They synchronized all the website together. In short, Zookeeper quiets power billion of operation in a single day. Zookeeper in action, leader of election example. Let's talk a close look at a practical example. Leader election. During a normal operation, one node act as a leader and coordinate all writing operation. The leader fails. Zookeeper detect immediately using session heartbreaks. Then, uh, then remind node to start new election. Uh, the They use sequence emphasize to ensure only one node become the next node. Finally, the transmission happens is with no data loss or manipulate intervals. The automatic failover makes Zookeeper so reliable. It is available for 24/7. Recent industry shift on Calf moves always away from Zookeeper. Now you might wonder, is Zookeeper still reliable today or relevant today? Because of today's genre, technology is growing rapidly. So, however, it doesn't mean Zookeeper is oblicted. It is still in power of distributing system and continues to be trusted to mature and battle testing reliable. In fact, Zookeeper concept like concierge session and watches have influenced more modern system design provisions. Why choose Zookeeper today? There are still short reason to select Zookeeper today. Battle testing maturity over 15 years in production use across tough environment and provide scalability excellence for a real heavy workload with a linear scalability. Mm, Developer production. Developer can be focused on a core logics of a Zookeeper handling coordination. It is being ruled reliable since 2008 with a thousands of production, development, and a 99.99% availability targets. That is why making it trust choice mission critical system. Last but not the least, the future of distributing coordination. As we look ahead, Zookeeper continues to play foundation role in a distributive computer. It remains essential for many systems to need to synchronize and consistent. Moreover, its design have inspired new framework optimize microservices and cloud services. In conclusion, Zookeeper core's philosophy, simpleness, reliable performance, efficiency will continue sharp distributive system design for years and years to come. As one quotation beautiful synchronize it. And distributive system coordination is everything. Zookeeper solve coordination once so we never have to solve it again. Thank you for watching my Zookeeper presentation. Now I'll like